The following comparison of video players compares general and technical information for notable software media player programs. For the purpose of this comparison, video players are defined as any media player which can play video, even if it can also play audio files. General operating system compatibility. This section lists the operating systems on which the player works. There may be multiple versions of a player, each one for a given operating system. Features extended features the user interface is a pluggable mono assembly, gapless MP3 playback, the Complayers forums. Complayer.com. Retrieved December 16, 2009. Available with QuickTime streaming server. Only the media creator can create skins. Apple Remote Ability, and Bus add-on for Linux, via Media Library in Modern Skin. Codex BMC has a built-in UPnP Avenue Media Server, FTP server, and a web server. Bookmarks are limited to 20 files and are stored with absolute paths, which renders them inaccessible when files are moved. ABCD pitch shifting and AB repeat are not included in player's interactive keyboard controls, but can be set up via command line parameters. Player manual, www.apple.com/AB repeat using play selection only command, as of SVN 3349. Video format ability, information about what video formats the players understand. Footnotes led to information about abilities of future versions of the players or plugins filters that provide such abilities. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T available via Extrema plugin. ABCDE. This format is supported out of the box in Windows 7 and later. In Windows Vista and earlier, the playing compatibility depends on the availability of direct show filters. ABCDEFGHIJKLMNOPQRSTUVWXYZ. Or the playing compatibility depends on the availability of direct show filters. AB. The playing compatibility depends on the availability of MPEG-2 component for QuickTime. AB. The playing compatibility depends on the availability of WMV player component for QuickTime. AB. Third-party plugins are available. The XIF QuickTime components allow any QuickTime application to parse OGG files and play VORBs, FLAC, Speaks, and Thera. ABCD. On Macs, third-party plugins are available. The Perion QuickTime components for Mac OS X 10.4.7 Plus allow any QuickTime application to play a wide variety of formats. Plugin available. AB. This format is supported out of the box on Mac OS X. On Windows, the playing compatibility depends on the availability of QuickTime filters. There is a distribution known as QuickTime Alternative which bundles the needed QuickTime components without the need to install the corresponding player. This format is supported when running the program in Microsoft Windows, but is not supported on Mac OS X. AB. This format is supported out of the box in Windows Media Player 12 and later. In Windows Media Player 11 and earlier, the playing compatibility depends on the availability of direct show filters. The playing compatibility depends on the availability of direct show filters, or in the case of Windows Media Player 12 and above, there is also the option of using Microsoft Media Foundation components, which have the added bonus of adding WebM support through the HTML5 element to Internet Explorer 9 or later. Audio formatability, information about what audio formats the players understand. Footnotes led to information about abilities of future versions of the players or plugins filters that provide such abilities. Container formatability, information about what container formats the players understand. Footnotes led to information about abilities of future versions of the players or filters that provide such abilities. Streaming support, information about which Internet protocols the players understand, for receiving streaming media content. Playlist formatability, information about which playlist formats the players understand. Subtitle ability, information about what subtitle formats the players understand. Footnotes led to information about abilities of future versions of the players or filters that provide such abilities. This player can open files with the extension TXT, but those could contain any script language. so there is no guarantee it will play it. ABC subtitles stored separately from the media file are not supported. ABCD. This player understands some of the formatting data from SSAASS, but some players could understand the rest of it by using DirectVob Sub as external subtitle filter instead of the built-in one. ABCDEFGHIJKLMNO. For Windows, the ability to use many subtitle formats can be added by installing DirectVob Sub or FFDSHOW. FAQ. Caffeine, KDE Media Player. Caffeine FAQ. Retrieved October 2, 2009. Metadata ability, information about what metadata, or tagging, formats the players understand. Most other containers have their own metadata format and the players usually use them. Footnotes led to information about abilities of future versions of the players or plugins that provide such abilities. Supports via plugin available in COWON forums. Player can read Q files with Q type URL, but has problems. See talk. QSheet and Player have more faults. Winamp relies on the tagging of its decoder. Replacing the standard decoder with an APOD2 capable one is possible. ID3V 2.4 not supported. Displays basic ID3V1/ID3V2/OG4Bs tags. Optical media ability, information about what kinds of optical discs the players can play. Footnotes led to information about abilities of future versions of the players or plugins that provide such abilities. Playback of Super Audio CD is not possible for any media player, because no suitable hardware exists. All media players capable of audio CD playback will also play the Red Book core of any HD CD disc, providing no sound quality benefits over standard audio CDs. See this thread on team-mediaportal.com, see this thread on getsatisfaction.com. DVD audio files are playable in VLC 1.1. Handling still frames and switching between different video formats is problematic. HD DVD EVO from version 3.0.0, ABVCD menu and DSVCD menus are not supported nor displayed. See also: List of codecs, open source codecs and containers, comparison of video codecs, comparison of audio coding formats, comparison of container formats, subtitle, comparison of portable media players, comparison of video encoders, comparison of PVR software packages. References. Related lists on other projects. Open source toolset, short sections on audio editing and video editing, software, short lists of OGG audio and video editors, help, converting video, tools for manipulating audio and video.